Hello dear students, so now today we would move ahead in this first chapter of class 11th mathematics, that is sets. Today I have some new sort of questions for you. Question number first is write each of the following in set builder form. So you have to write the sets which has been given here in the roster form. You have to write in set builder form. So how do you write this? So if you see, this is the set A. These are the elements of the set A, 1 by 4. Okay, so I can write the elements of set A as this one. Can I write this as 1 by 1 square? Yes, because 1 is 1 and 1 square is also 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Similarly, I can write 1 by 4 as 1 by square of 2. Similarly, I can write 1 by 9 as 1 by square of 3. Square of 3 is 9. Similarly, square of 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 25. Square of 6 is 36 and square of 7 is how much? 49. Are you getting? Very good. Now if you see, I would write this in set builder form. So the set A contains the element x such that x is what? X is what here? If you see, all these squares are here, all these are the natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, all are the natural number. So set A contains the element such that x is of the form 1 by n square. Can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? Where this n belongs to what? This n belongs to the set of natural number, because all are the natural number here. Where this n belongs to the set of natural number. Is this enough? No. This is not the complete information about this set. One more thing you would have to write here. What you would write here? What you would write here? Now if you see, you would have to limit this n, because there are many natural numbers and we have written this n belongs to the set of natural number. Getting? We have to limit this n. I would write where and this n is what? It is greater than and equals to 1. Yes, it is. You can start from 1. But it is what? It is less than equals to 7. You cannot write the numbers or the natural numbers more than 7 here. Are you getting this? Okay. So this is the complete information about the elements of the set A. So this is how you would write the set A in set builder form. This is the roster form. This is the set builder form. You have the elements x such that x is equal to 1 by n square, where n belongs to the set of natural number and this n is between 1 and 7. It is not more than 7 and not less than 1 there. If you are just write the value of n is equals to 1 there, so you would get 1 by 1 square. If you are writing 2, you would get 1 by 2 square. So all the elements you would get. Okay, just note it down. And this is the next question. You have the set B and the elements of set B are 1 by 2 or 2 by 5. These are the elements of set B, and you have to write this again in the set builder form. This is the roster form. So how would you write this in set builder form? If you see, that elements of set B are such that, if you see, 1 is there and square of 1 is how much? 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Can I write this 1 by 2 as this? Look here, 1, square of 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2, so it is 1 by 2. Similarly, you have 2 and square of 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So I can write this 5 as square of 2 plus 1. Are you getting? Similarly, you have the next number, that is 3, and square of 3 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So I can write this as 3 square by 1 would be 3 by 10. Similarly, you have 5 and square of 5 is how much? Sorry, 4 is there, 4, and square of 4 is how much? Square of 4 is 16 and 16 plus 1 is 17. Similarly, you have the next element, that is 5, and square of 5 is how much? Square of 5 is 25 and 25 plus 1 would be how much? 26. And next one is square of 6 plus 1. Next would be square of 7 plus 1. This is how you can write the given elements. Okay. Now I have to express this in set builder form. Now if you see, the set B contains the element x such that x is what here? X is what here? If you see, all are here natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write there n, let's say n by. And again, if you see 1 square, 2 square, these are again the natural number in the form of n square. So I can write it as n square. and all are having +1, I would write here +1. So set B contains the element x such that x is equals to n by n square +1. But this is not the complete information. Here n is what? All these n. The n belongs to the set of natural number. Where what? Where n belongs to the set of natural number. Again, this is not the complete information because you have to limit this n also. Natural numbers are many there. Okay? You have to limit this. It just starts from 1 up to 7. So you would limit this as n is greater than equals to 1, means it starts from 1 but it is less than equals to 7. Are you getting this? So this is the complete information and this is the set builder form of the set B. Okay, note it down. Now this is the next set here. Set C contain the elements 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79. These are the elements of the set C. Now you have to write this in set builder form. This is the roster form. So how to write? Now basically all these given elements are prime number here. Look, 53 is prime, 59 is also prime, 61 is prime because they are divisible by themselves only. You cannot divide these numbers by any other number there. Okay, they are divisible by themselves. So means all are prime number here. All are prime number. So I can write the set C contains the element x. The set C contains the element x such that x is what? X is such that x is what? X is prime number. Such that x is prime number. But this is not the complete information. Prime numbers are many. Again you have to limit this x. And yes, and what? And this x. X is what? X is what? X is what? Greater than 50 because these numbers are more than 50 here. So x is greater than 50. X is what? X is greater than 50. And less than what? Less than 80. Less than 80. But 50 and 80 are not included. Not equals to here. I have written here not this. This x is greater than 50 but not equals to 50. So you have to write all the numbers greater than 50 and less than 80 but should be prime numbers. You would get the answer. Getting? So this is how you would express the set C in set builder form here. Okay, so just write it down. Now this is the next question. Question is you have the set C and there are only two elements there, -1 and +1. How do you write this in set builder form? Now if you see both are integers here. So I can write, yes, I can write D contains the elements x such that x is what? X is an integer. Such that x is an integer. Integers are positive and negative. X is an integer. But this is not the complete motion. Integers are also many. So you have to limit this x. So this x should be greater than how much? -2. Because greater than -2 is -1. If you see, look here. Here is 0, here is 1, here is 2. Here is -1, here is -2. So this x is what? X is minus means greater than -2 but less than 2 there. Less than 2 there. So is this the complete information? Is this the complete information you are getting? Okay, sorry. One more element is there. I have just forgot to write. 0 and 1 is also there. Okay. So these are the three elements here. Okay. So you have to limit this x. Means x is what? Greater than -2. Okay. X is what? X is greater than -2 and less than 2. Means these three elements would come there. -1, 0, +1 and less than 2. So this is how you would write the given set in set builder form. Okay. So you have the elements x here such that x is an integer where x is greater than -2 and less than 2. Are you getting? Okay, just note it down. Now this would be the last question here. You have the set E and the set E contain the elements 14, 21. These are the elements of set E. Now again you have to write this in set builder form. So how? If you see all are the multiples of 7 here. Look here, all are divisible as 7. 7 2 are 14, 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28. All are divisible as 7 here. Getting? So it means we have some clue which I have got from here. So I can write this E as this set E contains the element x such that x is which one form? X is the multiple of 7 means x is of the form of 7n. X is of the form 7n. X is equals to 7n. So n would vary from 2. Look here. If you just write here in place of n 2, so you would get 7 2 ja 14, 3, 7 3 ja 21, 4, 7 4 ja 20. It means all the elements you would get. But you cannot write 1 there. 7 1 ja 7 is not the element here. So you would start from 2. So again, x such that x is equal to n. So n is what here? Where n belongs to the set of natural number. But this is not the complete information. One more thing you would have to write. You would have to limit this n. This n varies from 2 here because n is not equals to 1 here. So this n is greater than equals to 2. Yes or not? But it is less than equals to how much? You would have to limit this. 14 7 ja 98. 14 7 ja 98. So it is less than equals to 14. Getting? So this is how you would write the given sets which are there in the roster form, in set builder form. That is all for today. See you in the next lecture. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.